making the hole a little bigger, I was able to cut off a piece that was already torn right here. I'm so proud of myself. But if I don't put something on my head, the tree grabs my hair. So we gotta squeeze out of the hole. Wait. Okay. I'd hammer in the morning. I'd hammer in the evening. All over this land. I'd hammer out just as... They just don't work. They just don't work. I'm telling you, they don't work. Buy good tools. Don't screw around with the cheap shanakalakala. I had to cut the metal, but the tree moves so much that it had pushed the metal back. Okay, I think I got it figured out. Getting ready to go up. This is out. This is how we get in and out of through this little hole here. This was kind of a clusterian fulala. So you think it's sticking and it's not. This is a malfunction of the product. I have to add another piece. Everything's in perfect alignment. But I have Treehouse guests checking in like an hour. That's how we get in and out. It's a little beautiful wedgetosis. Good morning, David Daphne! This is why we do it in the morning. So that we can see those things. Because that would let the water in. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. This is the view from the treehouse. And that is the tree that goes through the roof. I've put the tape all around it. I have more of my hair on there than anything. Good morning, son. That is the other tree that goes through the roof. This is the strap system we have to be able to, when I climb out the window over there to get on the roof. But it's just a long darn way down, yeah? So what I have is a bungee cord, and then I have another bungee cord under here. I'm halfway in and halfway out. Many of us feel that way in our life, but in this case, I'm halfway out the roof of the treehouse because I'm fixing it. I'm making it better. I'm wedged in here between the metal and the tree. So there's about, I don't know, 8 inches or something. However wide I am, 126 inches, I don't know what it is. You can see the roof is really pitched, really steep, and it is not fun to be up here. I don't really like heights. Not my favorite thing. In fact, I built the treehouse, the first floor, at the level where I was comfortable working, because we'd be working off a platform and a scaffolding.